Welcome back to the channel Card Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to insert how or else how to perfectly insert an image in Excel file. So basically when you open your Excel worksheet, right over here on the above ribbon window where you have the options, you have to go under insert. Then you have to press pictures, and right over there is an option of this device. From there you have to select this device, and then you can insert your whatever image you want in your Excel file, which is completely free. It is now not logged in any cell or any row. You can freely adjust it wherever you want and wherever you want to keep it, like for reference or for your like your basic worksheet. Also you can also select those cells and simply plot the sheet into a PDF file if you want. So basically this is the perfect way if you want to take any reference or stuff like that for any plan drawings or anything like that. So this is the best option of inserting an image in a Excel file. So for because of which you will actually get a free will of moving and doing things as ever you want. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.